Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean, hashed email file so matching works. First, export a CSV with email and minimal identifiers, remove duplicates, and validate addresses. Once done, use the platform's hashing tool or upload and let the system hash server-side. This preserves privacy and increases match rate. Next, check audience size requirements and file limits, then go to Audiences and select Customer List. Begin the upload now so the platform can run its matching process while you set targeting parameters. With your source audience ready, create the lookalike by selecting that custom audience and specifying the target country or region. Then decide similarity versus scale. Choose 1% for high similarity and small scale, or 25% for broader reach. Make sure to set appropriate budget and bid strategy because tighter lookalikes often need slightly higher bids to win auctions. Also exclude your original customer list so you avoid overlap. Finally, enable multiple lookalike sets to a /B test which performs best. Now launch campaigns using phased budgets and monitor performance metrics like match rate, CTR, and CPA. Once live, refine audiences by excluding converters, layering behavioral filters, and rotating creative to avoid ad fatigue. Make sure to refresh the source list every 30 to 90 days so the lookalike model reflects current customers. If things go wrong, for example, low match rate double-check hashing, include extra identifiers, or increase source size to meet platform minimums. These steps usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.